like pancakes. I like pancakes! I like pancakes! I like pancakes! First, we have to put the dry ingredients in the bowl. 1.5 cups of flour and 3 tablespoons of sugar. 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now mix it up. Now mix it! In another bowl, put 1.5 cups of milk. And 3 tablespoons of butter. 3 tablespoons of butter. And 2 eggs. Mix it. Now mix your wet with your dry. Now mix it. Last part is chocolate chips. Chocolate chips! Pancakes!